Welcome to day 8 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Today is all about creating the perfect sewing space.
That's right, sewing furniture with great storage and adjustable chairs, everything that keeps your back happy and your tools handy and your creativity flowing.
And helping us today is someone who knows sewing furniture, our very own Jason Moore. He's our go-to guy for pretty much anything having to do with sewing, but making sure your sewing room especially feels amazing, he would be in that category.
And our giveaway today is a fine pair of Joann scissors valued at $70. They're sharp, they're beautiful, and absolutely no one should ever use those on paper.
You would never know.
Especially wrapping paper. Let's jump into day 8. Well, today we're going to talk about sewing furniture, and Jason, you're our expert here, right?
Yeah.
You know all about sewing furniture and why why people should have sewing furniture?
Yeah, there's some very important reasons to have a good piece of sewing furniture, just for your body and your sewing pleasure and experience.
Okay.
So,
well, before we get into that,
Okay.
How long have you been with Montavilla now?
well, technically 26 years, but we go back to the days before that when family liked to use child labor, and
That's before we actually paid you. We actually paid you.
yes, exactly.
Above board. We paid you under the table for a while.
Right. I was probably working here since I was 10, 12 years old, cleaning the warehouse and having to scrub out garbage cans or cleaning the bathrooms, kind of whatever I was told.
Jason and I are also cousins too, by the way. So he's been in the business a long time here. Jason, this is sewing furniture. What should we look for in sewing furniture? Why do we want sewing furniture?
Well, always want to make sure you have the space for a good piece of sewing furniture. So, having a good piece of sewing furniture affords you also some good storage. So if you have room for the storage, there's also options that don't have the storage if you don't have the room, if you have a tight space to put it in. So we even have options that are it's a folding table, but it gets you the benefits of what a piece of sewing furniture does.
Okay.
So we have sewing furniture that ranges anywhere from $250 up to the sky could be the limit. So if you want to design an entire sewing studio. So there's many complementary pieces that go along with this too. So we can add to it. We can just make it just how you want. So
this one has this plexiglass piece. What is this?
Yeah.
What is this for?
So basically what this does is brings the surface of the sewing machine down to the same height as the sewing machine. It's a nice smooth surface. So if you're working on large projects, it keeps everything flush and moving through at a consistent speed. It also gives you the ability to pull this piece out and raise up your sewing machine with a whisper quiet electric lift on this model. So you can then either utilize the free arm, so if you're doing garment sewing, or if you have one of the embroidery modules, you can put the embroidery module on the machine and do your embroidery. So, but for most of your sewing, you're really going to want it to be down in this flatbed position. So this will just slide on in. I just kind of drop the machine to a nice flush position. I always end up leaving this about 1/8 of an inch above, so the fabric floats above it a little bit nicer. What's also nice about this particular cabinet is it also has a drop leaf on the back of it to support when you have the larger projects. Now this little, placemat here is not really utilizing that, but if we had a bigger, larger quilt, that would definitely help with the weight and help your shoulders. So yet another important thing is the angle in which you sit in front of your machine. So when you're sitting here looking at the needle of the machine, ideally, you want to be set up at 90 degrees. So it's more ergonomic. If you're working up here on a sewing machine, table, it's going to stress your shoulders and your neck and your back, and that can potentially cause a lot of issues. So this gives you a nice ergonomic area. You can spend hours at your sewing machine. Okay. And we carry manufacturers from Koala, Horn, Arrow, and Kangaroo.
Okay.
So, we have
a few.
Those are a lot of different price budgets in there, different configurations. So whatever space you're working with, we can put something together for you.
Perfect. Okay, so switching gears a little bit,
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you a couple questions. First of all, I'm asking everybody, what is their favorite Christmas memory?
Christmas is my favorite holiday, Brett.
I know it is.
Like I was saying, every year I have a new memory that just comes to mind. You asked me this question and it's hard for me to narrow down one. It's first of all, it's always about being with a family, but that's kind of every year. I mean,
right.
one year it's, yes, going to Uncle Dick's house and coming up there and singing with you folks and
Yeah.
hanging out on Christmas Eve night
Yeah.
with you and your family. So, you know, me and my brother Doug used to do that and go play with your dad's car or
Yeah.
whatever. So that was always a fun memory. But probably my fondest memory was when my son was 1.
Uh-huh.
It was 2008. And that was kind of the first really true white Christmas I could remember.
Oh, that was very white Christmas.
It was a very white Christmas. I actually remember having to be closing the store around Christmas for like a week or two
Oh,
right there
it was-
because it was so
It
bad.
was bad, yeah.
But it created a very nice, you know, good family moment with
Right.
my son, with my family. Everybody made it to my parents' house, so
Yeah,
we all
that's cool.
hung out all day, played in the snow, opened gifts, ate food, and
Yeah.
I don't know, just kind of had nothing else, nowhere else to be. That was just, we were in the moment and really loved that time.
Okay, so I asked now the code word. We're gonna give away this pair of scissors. What's the code word that they have to remember?
Ooh, I just got finished watching one of my favorite Christmas movies, and they had a secret word,
Uh-huh.
and it was mistletoe.
Mistletoe. Okay, so the day 8 code word is mistletoe. Check your email tomorrow to see who won and look for tomorrow's video.
Well, that wraps up day 8. Huge thank you to Jason Moore for showing us how good sewing furniture can transform your sewing room and sewing experience. Look at that. This looks like a comfortable setup.
I could do this all day.
Don't forget, today's giveaway is a beautiful pair of Joann scissors of $70, and every purchase made during this holiday sale gets you entered to win.
These are sacred scissors. They cut fabric beautifully and absolutely nothing else.
And if anyone uses them on paper, Brett will sense it from miles away.
It's my superpower.